Okay, so I decided to make a video going over the tote instructions because I still have some kids that haven't signed up for the meeting. I think it will be a lot easier for me to show you and go along with you, but just in case. So the first thing you will have to do, first of all, tote is where we will put all of our BPI information. That is where the other principals and other teachers will be making sure that you actually mastered that area. I know last year we used going outs. This year we are using tote instead of going out. So first thing you have to do is go to google.com and log into your school Google account. It should be your email address, your school email address that you use for PLP, and the password should be Fleming20, capital F. If you did not start in the online program FICPA, FCPA, then your password's different, and I'm not sure what that is. After you log into your Google account, you will you'll go to this link, and I favorited it. You might want to do the same because you might have to go back and add stuff later. This link is also in your FCPA 6th grade resource class, so I'm going to go show you where that would be. So this is your FCPA 6th grade resource class. I'm on a student's right now. You go all the way to the bottom. It's hard to see right now, but this says instructions for using tote. That is this sheet right here. Okay. And then tote link, log in with Google. So this, if you go to this and click the link, it'll take you straight to it so you don't have to type in that link. I already have it up, so I'm going to click right there. This is what it'll look like. You're going to sign in with Google. That's why you had to log in with your Google account. Oh, that's not one. Okay. So you log in with Google. I already said that. Then you will have to find the Fleming County badge and log in. So here I am. I'm going to log in with Google, sign in with Google, same thing. Okay, so there's a bunch of badges here. I'm going to click the one that says Tote Digital Profile, and that's the Fleming County logo. I already did that. Create your artifacts. Create your artifacts. It tells you step by step what you need to do. I might run out of time because these videos can only be 5 minutes long. Click Create New Artifact. Give it a title of the document. Create new artifact. So if I'm putting in presented my passion project, that could be what it is here. Create artifact. All right, now let's see what it says next. Give it a title of the document. I already did that. Make sure it's under the 2021 school year and have the correct month and time period. Spring. Okay, that looks right. Then click Create. I think I already did that as well. Then go to Edit. So here's Edit. Then answer the 2 questions. I don't see any questions, but artifact description and justification. This is what you all wrote for your BPI writing assignment. That's why I had you do it. So if you put presenting your passion project as your communication, and just copy what you already wrote. I presented my passion project to my teacher. I mastered communication because of blah, 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 blah. I don't want you to have to retype it. That's why I wanted you to send it that way so that you could just copy it and paste it in here. Then you will save artifact information. If you have a video or you want to link your passion project or anything like that, you can add it right here. When you're finished, you click Save Artifact Information, and then you'll start on your next one. Just follow these instructions. But you should have 8 of them at least that you can upload because that was our assignment. We had to do 8. And that's all I've got for you.